It sat in the attic, keys tarnished, ribbons dusty. When Mara found the old typewriter, she couldn't resist its allure. Her first story, a storm that swallowed the town, became reality that night, thunder cracking open the sky. Each tale she typed, from shadows crawling beneath doors to neighbors vanishing, unfolded outside her window. Panic replaced curiosity as Mara realized every word was a curse. Desperate, she typed her own escape, but the final line jammed. The typewriter hummed, its keys spelling out her fate. The writer was never seen again.